Good morning, dear friends. I'm back with a pulao recipe today. Let's make flavorful mint pulao. I'm going to use the mint grown in hydroponic farm, the one that I received from our friend's farm recently. If you have not seen that video, you can check it out. The link is shared in the I button. The mint, which is grown in water and not in soil, it has amazing flavors, so tender, fresh, and nice. And I'm sure this pulao is going to have amazing flavors. So let's prepare this pulao and enjoy it with some raita and papad. Mint pulao. Flavorful basmati rice cooked with mint and coriander paste, lot of vegetables and spices. Make and enjoy this delicious one pot meal. You can relish it with some raita and papad. These are the ingredients for grinding. I have taken a small bunch, about 2 cups of mint. This is so fresh and tender from hydroponic farm. And small bunch of coriander leaves, about 1 cup. 1-inch piece ginger, 2 to 3 green chillies, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. Grind them together. And then we have taken 1 onion, peeled and sliced. Half carrot peeled and cut into pieces. Green peas half cup. Potatoes 2 medium peeled and cut into pieces. Now basmati rice 1.5 cups or as needed. Oil will require 4 to 5 tablespoons. Whole spices we have taken 2 bay leaves, 1-inch piece cinnamon and 4 to 5 cloves. Spice powders we have garam masala half teaspoon, red chilli powder 1/4 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, and salt to taste. For your reference, list is also given in the description box. First wash the rice and soak it. Then grind the ingredients from list 1, that is mint, coriander, ginger, garlic, green chilli to a coarser paste. Now let's begin the cooking process. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a pot. This is called handi. I like to cook pulaus in this. Add the whole spices first and toss them until they give out a nice aroma. Now add the onions, saute them. Keep stirring until they are golden brown. Now add the ground masala paste. Cook it a bit on low flame, stirring intermittently. Now add the vegetables. You can add any vegetables that you have in your refrigerator. Winter carrots, they look so delicious. The color is very appealing. Now add the salt and spice powders. Give it a nice mix. After sauteing little bit, cover and simmer. Cook them on low flame, but don't add any water. Just let them cook in the moisture of the masala paste. After simmering on low flame for few minutes, they should have been 3/4 done. You can check with a knife. At this stage, now we can add the water. I have taken 1.5 cups of rice, so I am adding 3 cups of water. If you want a grainy texture, add little less than 3 cups. Now let us cover and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, check the salt, add if required. Now you can add the rice. Gently stir it. and let it cook. Halfway through, open the lid, give a gentle stir again and reduce the flame to medium. On medium until the water moisture is absorbed. It might take couple of minutes. Now you can place it on a griddle for dum. Pulao is almost done. Add some ghee if you like, or clarified butter, 1 tablespoon. It gives a good flavor to the dish. You can even fry cashew nuts and add if you wish to. After 5 minutes, it's perfectly done. You take a spoon or a ladle, gently stir it with the handle of the ladle. This is a tip to keep the rice intact, grainy. Now dish it out. For accompaniment, you can serve some raita and papads. You don't need anything else. The dish itself is so flavorful. The mint and coriander masala has given all the flavors to it, along with the spices that we have added. Delicious one-pot meal. Garnish with a sprig of mint leaves and serve it. Aren't you tempted to make this delicious pulao? And a gentle reminder to all those who haven't subscribed, please do that so that you don't miss out any video. Whenever I post, you will be notified. So stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye until then. Thank you for watching this video. Here are some videos from the archives. In case you want to have a look, check them out.